What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today's news or reaction, it is so amazing. What you are going to watch today is talented young girls running as faster as cheetahs. So watch this video, then I will come for more reaction. But remember to give this video a support of subscribing, like, and even comment on the video. Thank you.
Brianna Liston.
22.53 into a headwind. The Jamaican junior record 22.50 by that particular Brianna Williams, and this girl in good conditions could get that record. She's that fast. 11.14 and bullet quick in a straight line.
Carifta record 44.08. Expect that to go tonight. There's the full lineup. Guadeloupe in 1, Turks and Caicos in 2, Barbados in 3, Trinidad and Tobago in 4, British Virgin Islands 5, Jamaica favorites, World Under 20 record holders in 6, Bermuda 7, and the Bahamas in lane 8.
The limiter is a turnaround time from championships, the amount of time they've had a chance to do baton passing work together. I thought they might go with the World Junior Champion team here to keep things simple, but Coach Corey Bennett has gone for the fastest team he can find in the land.
Barbados winning gold already tonight in the 3000 for under 17 boys. No Karika Hill at the Carifta Games.
The team allotment 80 athletes, the Jamaican team 78, so 2 additional spaces might have been used to put Karika Hill on the squad somewhere.
So Caitlin Bob on the opening leg for Bermuda. Serena Cole will start for the Jamaicans like she did at the World Under 20 Championships in Nairobi last year. The Jamaicans are confident. The British Virgin Islands, they will go in lane number 5. Trinidad and Tobago in lane 4. They have the outstanding Shaniqua Bascom in their lineup. Barbados, lane number 3, looking to produce a spectacular performance here as well. The Turks and Caicos Islands in lane number 2. And on the inside in lane number 1, Guadeloupe. Are we about to witness something special in Kingston? 2002 Hubert Lawrence. The World Under 20 Championships was held in Kingston. The Jamaica team, Karen Stewart, Sharon Simpson, Anisha McLaughlin, Simone Facey, 43.40 on that night. That stood as the Jamaican junior record until last year. Are these girls about to deliver something even more spectacular on home soil? Jamaica in lane 5.
Set.
Up they go. Serena Cole places out on the blocks for the Jamaicans. Already closes down on Bermuda. The Jamaicans are flying with Tina Clayton, the 100 champion. The World Under 20 champion destroys the field on the backstretch. She will hand over to Brianna Liston. Liston running a super curve for the Jamaicans. The rest of the field out of shot. Can they execute the final change? Tia Clayton has the baton and she is surging down the home stretch. The world record is under threat. Tia Clayton is flying and Jamaica will break the world record. 42.59. Tina Clayton with the end.
Stunning. Expected this world record in the juniors later this season. This team running together for the first time. Liston slotted in the third leg where Curricle ran in the world champs last year. The baton passing, the second change, the last change, beautiful. The first change, chancy, but safe. 42.59, world under 20 record by Jamaica in Kingston at the Caribbean Games. Stunning. There's Liston, her third leg, peerless, matchless, and brilliant.
Kingston stands to applaud the performance of Caribbean 49. Confirmation 42.58, a world under 20 record. Serena Cole to Tina Clayton to Brianna Liston to Tia Clayton. Here's another look at a piece of history in Kingston, Jamaica.
Cole tore off on the first leg, was beside Tina when she made the baton pass. Great change to Liston. Another great one flying to Tia on the anchor leg. She put her foot to the floor and motored like her life depended on it. Looks across and sees 42.59 world junior record. Jamaica, Kingston, awesome.
The previous record held by the Jamaicans at 42.94. That was done at the World Under 20 Championships in Nairobi, Kenya. That was at altitude. This at sea level. 42.58 World Under 20 record, not just a championship record. 45.36 for Barbados. Brilliant silver for them. Trinidad and Tobago bronze at 46.12. Bermuda just missing a medal at 46.13.
Just a few faithful ones inside this national stadium. They came out and got the reward with a world under 20 record. 42.58 Jamaica. These fans came out, put on black, gold and green, and here they are enjoying the moment. That's Tyrone Lawson, Gaff Gale, J3's president, making the presentation.
42.58, the Carifta record set in 2022 by Jamaica. The Bahamian team stepping out. Oh yeah. They'll want the changes to be as slick as that pose. Under 20 girls 4x100 final.
So we actually lost 3 teams from the semi-finals. Guyana is not there, unfortunately. No Tiana Springer, no Narissa McPherson. They're going to be running the 4x4 mixed hopefully a little bit later. We've got Antigua and Barbuda withdrawing as well, and Barbados.
So Bahamas, Trinidad and Tobago, Jamaica, British Virgin Islands, Grenada, Guadeloupe and Martinique. The teams set to take part here. British Virgin Islands. Oh wow, they would love to have a Deja Hodge now. That's Amia Todman for the BVI. Here's the lineup from the inside. Grenada, Martinique, British Virgin Islands, Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, Guadeloupe and Bahamas. 7 teams going in this final.
And Todman on that third leg with Soleil Frederick.
Trinidad and Tobago team, they have the Frederick sisters, one would suppose. They also have Symphony Patrick to choose from.
Khadija Pickering, I think, maybe leading off for them.
Jamaica being led off by Habiba Harris, the 12.95 sprint hurdler, takes the opening leg for the Jamaicans. They are expected to have a fine team. Tiana Lee Terrelong, Sabrina Dockery, Shania Douglas possibly in their lineup as well. Guadeloupe. Guadeloupe will be in lane number 6. They have Alia Vanukia on the opening leg. Grenada with Rihanna Frederick leading off for them.
Stand. On your marks.
Final of the under 20 girls 4x100.
Set.
Well, that went all wrong. Some athletes were in the set positions getting back into their marks. Others were stuck on their mark. Pretty sure we're going to see a green card here.
Should do, I think.
It's a green card.
And yes, we do in fact get a green card. Starters acknowledge that there may have been an issue with the starts from their end. Symphony Patrick, you see on your screen there, will be leading off for Trinidad and Tobago. The Frederick twins will go second and third.
Set.
Cleanly away this time for the 4x100 final for under 20 girls. Trinidad and Tobago up well with Symphony Patrick. Abiba Harris runs a good first leg for the Jamaicans as well. The Jamaicans change safe and first. Tiana Lee Terrelong, the 100 silver medalist, goes flying by Frederick. Jamaica ahead of Trinidad and Tobago. Here's the change for the Jamaicans. Soleil Frederick on the third leg for Trinidad and Tobago, but it's Jamaica with the advantage. This is where the battle is expected to be. Here's the final change. Jamaica ahead of TNT. Down the home stretch they come. Trinidad and Tobago trying to close, but the Jamaicans pull away through Shania Douglas. 43-61. Another terrific performance by the black, green and gold. That's 3 in a row in the relays. They are on course for another sweep at the Caribbean Games. They swept the 1500s yesterday, and they are very much on course in the 4x100s. Pickering taking home Trinidad and Tobago to a well-deserved silver medal.
Trinidad and Tobago, and of course the ladies from the Bahamas in second and third. Trinidad and Tobago 44.43 seconds. Sanya Frederick not looking in the championship form that she displayed last year, certainly.
Thought it was Pickering on the ankle leg for TNT. It wasn't actually, as the Bahamians come through for bronze at 45.40. The Jamaicans celebrate gold. And they didn't have Sabrina Dockery, who won the 100 meters last night, defeating Tiana Lee Terrelong.
Still 200 to come tomorrow, so the bigger teams will be a little bit more mindful of using the depth of their relay squads. But a dominant performance by the Jamaican quartet, almost from the gun. Made the first pass first. Frederick, second best to tear along. And then just opening that lead from that point forward with the Jamaicans.
Never in doubt this one for Jamaica. Shania Dungler so good at 100, 200 and 400.
Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is MIKEANN'S reaction. So guys, I want to tell you this, and I always tell you each and every time, but you don't believe me. But today you have witnessed and you have watched what I always say each and every time. I want to tell you that. So I want to tell you this, that Jamaicans is the blessed country. And you will agree with me that if you want to break records and you want to make records that can never be broken, you must go in Jamaica. So you will agree with me that this race of young talented girls, it was amazing, and that girl make a good records whereby I don't think if someone can break it as quick as possible, because that girl was more talented, and that records that she put today, it will make some years so that she can get someone to break that records. Because okay, let me tell you that in Jamaica, there is 2 records up to now. Since 2009 up to now, it have been not broken anymore. These records of Usain Bolt running for the next 9 seconds or 9 minutes, it was a record, an amazing record. I don't think so. These records that this girl make, it is a record, and record will never be broken as in time coming, even today or tomorrow, because it's a record that it will make some years to be broken. So I want to tell you that let us compare Usain Bolt with other athletics or with other talented people in the world. Usain Bolt is the best short relay. Usain Bolt can run as fast as cheetah, because that guy has a sprint, and he always sprint faster. Even the records that he made, it is a record that I don't think if anyone can break, and it will take some years, even 20 years, to get someone who can break that record. And I want to assure you that someone who will break that record, it will come from Jamaica, because they always follow the role models of Usain Bolt, and they always follow the footsteps of Usain Bolt. So watch this amazing race, then I will come for final reaction.
Tearing away on the anchor leg to bring the Jamaicans home, and once again it's Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, Bahamas. They've been rotating Trinidad and Tobago and Bahamas for second and third, but the Jamaicans remain in the gold medal positions throughout these relays. 43-63 for Jamaica, 44-43 for Trinidad and Tobago, 45-40 for the Bahamas.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is MIKEANN'S reaction. So you have seen under 13 relay or short relay and the youngest girl by the name Brian Liston make a records, and that records I don't think if someone can break it. And I always say, and I have said in my previous reaction, that Jamaicans, they always make a records that even no one can break it. And Jamaicans, the talents that you will find in Jamaica, those are the talents that it is amazing, guys. And those are the talents that I can assure you that someone to break it, or records, someone to break it, it will take some years and years. So that girl, she have only 14 years, and she's amazing. She start putting the records as quick as possible, and as early as now. By the time she approaching maybe 30 or 40 years, she will be amazing, and she will be having the records that no one can break it. So I myself, I want to assure you that Jamaica is the best country, and Jamaica is the best in talented things. So it always consider, and it always empowering young people by in talents and the things that they always do each and every time. So that is the youngest, and even we will get that there is some twins doing athletics. Those twins were amazing, and those twins, even those twins were making records and records in Jamaica. So you will compare Jamaica and your country wherever you are, but I think that the best country and the talented country is Jamaica. So if you are watching me for the first time, please, I want to request to subscribe on this channel, to like my video, and to comment on my video. Thank you for watching me. Thank you. God bless you so much.